Hey, it's Brandon. Today, I'm going to show you how to descale and clean your Breville Barista Express. Now on the screen here are all the items you'll need to get the job done. I also have a full list in the description below. To start, grab the water tank and remove the filter. Now for this process, you'll need a good descaling solution. My personal favorite is the one from Barkeeper's Friend, but feel free to grab one from Amazon or even your local big box store. Measure out 4 ounces of the descaler and mix it with 34 ounces of water in the tank. I personally really like to use distilled water. Now it's time to put your Breville into descaling mode. Make sure that your machine is powered off and press and hold the 2-cup button along with the power button at the same time. You'll know that you enter the descaling mode when the clean and descale lights power on. To catch the descaling solution, I like to place a glass container underneath the group head. Now to start the descaling method, you simply press the 1-cup button and this will take about 25 seconds. This continues to flush the descaling solution through the group head and get rid of any buildup in the machine. Now once that cycle is complete, next up is the steam wand and hot water nozzle. For this, just simply turn the knob right or left and this will run a cycle of descaling through each of those systems. Both of these cycles will take about 10 to 15 seconds. I personally like to start with the hot water nozzle, then do the steam wand. Continue the process of running the descaler through the group head, hot water nozzle, and steam wand until no more solution comes out of the machine. So now that we're done running the descaling solution through the machine, it's time to thoroughly rinse. To do this, I remove the tank, give it a quick rinse in the sink, and then fill it up with fresh distilled water to the top. Now we're going to run that same process of running the water through the group head, hot water nozzle, and steam wand until the tank is completely emptied. Now the final step is to simply press the power button to exit descaling mode. So now that the machine is descaled, let's also give it a deep clean. To start the cleaning process, fill up the water tank with distilled water. Make sure you have your single basket in your portafilter. Then pop in the rubber cleaning disc. Next, grab some cleaning tablets, just pop one out of the container, drop it into the center of the cleaning disc, and then place the portafilter into the group head. Now for this, I really like to use the Breville cleaning tablets. I got a link for those down in the description below. The final step before we start the cleaning cycle is to pull out the stainless steel grate and remove the plastic drip tray cover. To put the machine into cleaning mode, hold down the single and double cup buttons along with the power button at the same time. After you do this for a few seconds, you'll see some lights start to blink, signaling the start of the cleaning process. Now you don't have to click any buttons after this because it pretty much just does everything on its own, and the cycle lasts between 5 to 6 minutes. Now the machine will beep 3 times and that's your signal that the cleaning is completely done. I like to remove the portafilter, give that a quick rinse. There might be just a little bit of the cleaning tablet residue in there. Then I also like to just run some fresh water through the group head. The final step is to remove and dump out the drip tray. This is honestly one of my favorite steps because you really get to see the dirty water and how well your machine was cleaned. So now that the inside of the machine is descaled and nice and clean, I like to come through and just give the outside a quick buff and shine. In most cases, I just like to use a simple damp microfiber towel, give everything a quick wipe down. Now this one was a little bit more dirty than normal, so I just had to come through with the stainless steel cleaner. For this, I just like to use Barkeeper's Friend. It does a great job. Wipe everything down. You might sometimes need to scrub it with a sponge. Now this is the most important thing if you're going to use a scrub sponge, is make sure that it's scratch free. I like to use a Scrub Mommy. Those are nice and soft and not going to cause damage to the stainless steel. I also like to come through and give the basket, the portafilter, along with the drip tray and stainless steel cover a quick scrub down in the sink. For this, I use some Dawn Power Wash just because this area tends to get a little greasy and grimy over time, and this is just a great time to give everything a quick clean. Now one thing I like to do along with descaling and cleaning is also replace the filter in the fresh water tank. I like to use the ones from Breville. I got a link down in the description below. Just simply take out the old filter, open up a new one, wet it for about 60 seconds under some cold water, then put it back in its holder and place it into the tank. So there you have it. Now you know how to descale and clean your Breville Barista Express. Check out a few of my other videos so I can help you clean that up.